In this video, you are going to see how to set the transparent background picture to all slides in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have a presentation and I want to set a picture as a transparent background to all slides. Now let us go to the Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. I want to use this picture. Click on Insert. Make sure it is in the 16:9 aspect ratio. So click on over here, go to picture format, go to crop, go to aspect ratio and make it 16:9 and click on outside. Select it and press Ctrl X to cut. Go to design, go to format background, go to picture or texture fill and click on clipboard. Now you can increase or decrease the transparency from here very easily. I am happy with this. Now click apply to all and it will set all the slides. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.